Aloha everyone, this is our Hawaiian Volcano Summary for November 14th, 2024. Kīlauea continues to be quiet this past week. You can see the earthquake counts are still low, similar to what they were last week, and down from the flurry we had at the end of October. The earthquakes have been distributed mostly on the south flank, with very few near the recent eruption site by Nāpau crater or by Mauna Ulu. But with the recent flurry today in the Upper East Rift connector between the summit and Mauna Ulu. So we still have deep Pahala earthquakes ongoing and the flank moving and the volcano slowly filling, but mostly without earthquakes at this point. When we consider the last 2 days, we can see that we had a magnitude 4.1 offshore of Pahala earlier today, down 21 miles. And we continue to have the earthquakes on Kīlauea with that cluster and Upper East Rift connector happening just today as well. When we look at our ground tilt monitors across the volcano, the Sand Hill Station has two components, one that points towards Halema'uma'u and one towards the South Caldera. Over the past week, these remain mostly flat, but in the last couple of days seem to be inflating a little bit more quickly, as shown on the ground tilt plots. Moving down the rift zone to the escape road, there we see more convincing signs that there is inflation from the nearby reservoir, as one of the components now appears to be inflating, following a previous trend there as well. And likewise, down past the eruption site at Pu'o'o, that tilt meter has a component that points to the west, which picked up a pulse of filling earlier last month and has been more slowly filling since then, but with a steady incline here in the last week. So it is filling quite slowly out there without many earthquakes and without very fast ground tilt. We do have one satellite image that has come in that focuses on the summit region. It appears to show deflation at the surface at the cooling lava lake, and perhaps at the southwest rift connector. And if anything, we maybe see some very slight filling here in the upper east rift connector, consistent with our other signals. Because of this relative slowdown, the USGS has dropped from daily updates to weekly updates, with the most recent update this past Tuesday confirming the quiet that we report here. That's Kīlauea. Mauna Loa is also quiet, with only a few events over the last week near the summit. However, the USGS has gone out there to restore the webcams, which have been down for several months due to wind damage at the radio telemetry site. They've posted images that show solar panels flipped over, bent mounts that house those panels. You see damage on the actual surface glass of some of these panels as well. And so it looks like the USGS has restored those as visible on their online webcam feed today. So that's our summary for this week.